Hey guys, so you guys have a test coming up. I did explain it a bit in the agenda, but people have been asking me questions, so I'm going to make another video for you guys. So, what is the test going to be over? It's going to be over bonds. So, think of the four different types of bonds that you know of: ionic, covalent, metallic, or polar covalent, non-polar covalent, and then metallic. Nomenclature, lots of nomenclature. I'm going to say this: a large portion of this exam is going to be nomenclature. So make sure that you know how to do nomenclature. There's going to be some Lewis structures. There's going to be not where you have to draw, but instead just answering questions about Lewis structures. So multiple choice. Then there's going to be a little bit on resonance, not much, a little bit. I think it's about oxidation numbers, a little bit of oxidation numbers. And I think that's about it. So I'm going to say this: if you want the majority of it down, make sure you have nomenclature. Make sure to get nomenclature down. That's going to help you out the most. I have a practice quiz for you. I haven't quite finished it. I haven't quite published it yet. Actually, I just need to change the name of it from unnamed to practice quiz. But this is going to help you. These are going to be very similar questions to the ones you will see on the exam. On each of them, it will say, give you these instructions. Very simple. You know, if given the name of the compound, enter the formula. Don't write any subscripts. Just type in the number, and that the elemental symbols are case sensitive. So if you're going to do Cl, make sure that you type in Cl as in capital C lowercase l instead of capital C capital L. Those are two different things. Yeah. If they're given a formula, type in the name all lowercase. Roman numerals are necessary. Have no spaces between the first word and the Roman numeral, and then a space after the Roman numeral. There's that. So here's an example: iron to iron, Roman numeral 2, space oxide. All right. I am going to give you a sheet, polyatomic ion sheet at the top of this exam. So don't worry about that. That's going to be there. And yeah, that's that. All right, so I'm going to go through and do a couple just to show you what's going on. Here we have PB, which is lead, and then ClO3. You're going to have to go through and think, okay, ClO3, what is that? Look on your polyatomic ion sheet, and remember that this is chlorate. Chlorate. So there's going to be chlorate, and since there's 4 of them, and lead is going to be one of those transition metals that you need to actually type in the Roman numeral. There's 4 chlorates. Chlorates are -1, which means total of -4 means it's going to be lead 4. So lead 4 space chlorate. There we go. That's done. This one, copper chloride. So it's going to be copper chloride, but what is copper is, again, one of those transition metals. So what is this going to be? It's going to be chloride is -1. So this is going to be copper 1 space chloride. Chromium carbonate, and so on and so forth. You can just keep on going down on these. Most of these are going to be ionic. All right, we can submit the quiz. See how I did on those first 2. Hey, correct. Hey, correct. And I didn't answer the rest of these. So there on the answer. But yeah, there's that. You can take it as many times as you want. It's not an actual grade. It is a practice quiz. So you can do it just to make sure that you know what you're doing. I'm letting you do this because the format on typing in answers is sometimes weird. So there's that. Study up, do this, run through this a couple of times on Thursday, and you should be good to go for your test on Friday. If you're missing anything, do me a favor and just message me on Canvas or through Remind, and I can help you get you set up for any like missing quizzes or anything that you have. All right, guys. Any other questions, comments, or concerns? Message me. I'll try and get back to you when I can. All right. Have a good one.